Guys, this is a continuation of yesterday's video, and I welcome you again this morning. It's a very fine morning here in East Africa. We've woken up and we thank God for that favor, because there are so many people who would have wished to see the day. They've not seen the day. Others are actually in hospital. They are not able to wake up and even see outside. So it's God's favor, and we bless his name for that favor. Now, yesterday there was this tree that here at the site that we are trying to, this is what we are trying to bring down. And so they woke up very early in the morning, and now it is down. As you can see it. Umeng'ang'ana ukaiangusha? Imechukua how long? Imechukua how long kuangusha? Mumefuruta? Sio kukata?
Tumekata kidogo.
Oh. Wewe tu na mama?
Na huyu. Hivyo watatu tumamsia kwa hapa.
Haki mko na nguvu. Nimemwona na pale. Guy. Nilikuwa usiku nilikuwa nasema my God, haki Mungu. Nilikuwa nasema haki Mungu, hii kitu isianguke usiku. Ianguke kwa boma ya mtu. Hey. We thank God. Nice.
Acha tukimbie hiyo job.
Mnakimbia job?
Ile tulikuwa tunafanya leo.
Gani ile pale?
Kwingine tulikuwa huko kwa mbao.
Oh, kwa mbao tu? Siku hizi uendagi na mati?
Hata mara moja tu.
Mara moja? Unajua nilikuwa na ya first time kwa mati hizo ganya. Kitambo.
Kitambo lakini saa hii.
Sasa unajua mimi siendi job, job iliisha. So siendi. Yeah. Juu ya kesho? Namba? Oh, chukua tu. Habari ya asubuhi mama?
Mzuri.
Umeamukia.
Hata ni vile.
Ndio naambia Mato, haki hiyo usiku nilikuwa nasema haki Mungu, shikilia tu isianguke kama watu hawako. Ilikuwa ngumu sana. 07. Patia namba. 07. Unajua mimi nakuanga wa video. Wacha ni. So now we are in the site. Told you this is the following day, guys. And shattering by the side is going on. So they want to pour the floor. The pouring of the floor wants to take place. Oh, they want to pour it here. Oh, okay. Habari yenu asubuhi? So this is what they are doing. Oh. Wow, so that is how it is doing, and that side, that is how it is doing. So now we are in for flooring. This side will have to stay a bit. Oh, these are the nails for recycling. And now what can we say? Oh, that side they are trying to bring the soil to this other side in preparation for next week. I don't know whether the electrician has come or I don't know whether the electrician has come. Let me see. Na sasa habari yako? Sisi ndio zilikuwa zitumike sababu ndio za zamani. Sababu zitakauka. Hizo ndio zinaisha kwanza, alafu ndio iendelee na hizi. So that is all stock I'm talking about, the ones that are supposed to be carried. So here, this is what is going on. And Wewe unafanya kazi gani? Soja ya wapi? Na sasa si hapa watu wanafanya kazi, sasa unaenda utakuja saa zile watu wana kazi, si ndio? Habari yenu asubuhi? Yes, Dixon. Habari ya asubuhi? Kwani nani hajafika? Jude. Oh. Na huyu waizi ama akuji leo? Oh, akuji leo. Wow. Okay. Yeah, so this is how things are here, guys. This is water now for mixing sand, ballast, and cement to make that mortar for flooring that caretaker house. So now you know. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. So I'm going here at the site, guys. Now the floor is being poured. They've really done a big job, a big and great job. So that is how it is going, and this is how we are utilizing human labor. Human labor being utilized, as you can see. See. Let me also see. And the water is coming from that end. Since it is slow, they are carrying buckets. They are carrying buckets because now it is slow. Yeah. So they need water. Wondering why did the recording stop? Yeah. Should not stop because we still have allowance of 14 minutes. So this is how it is, and yeah, contractor is the one up there. I saw him climb, and technical person right up there. Up there. So that is how it is happening. That's how it's happening. So yeah, stay tuned. Stay tuned. That becomes the last mortar they are making for up there. It's the last one. I thought it was a small place. They finished the other lot. Now they are on the second lot. Yeah, for up there. So guys, this is how things work here in Africa, especially here in Kajiado County. We use human labor a lot. Yeah, we use human labor a lot. Yeah, as you can see. That is how it goes. That's how it happens. Yeah. Mixing is done like that. Water going in. Yeah. See outside here. Oh. So that is how it goes. A lot of cement, so I have to close my nose. I have to close my nose. Yeah. But it's beautiful. It's beautiful. I love construction, guys. I love construction. I can stay on and on and on here. Like I came early in the morning. You saw that sign about the tree coming down, and so now we are still here. Thank God for the energy as well. Yeah. Thank you. That is how it goes, guys. Huh? Yeah. We have one technical person, the one in a purple, the one bending, the one in the purple cape is the technical person, is a mason. The rest are handymen, and that is how it goes. Guys, now the work is done. and the mason and the handyman and the contractor, they've now left. I'm the only one who's left here with the wiring person, electrical. He's doing his bit up there. So I want to close this vlog right here because I'm closing it here because I've run out of power. Bye.